So this is the first thing I do when we get to our campsite. I get this little Happy Campers bucket, and I actually have been using 2 scoops in here, and I just kind of pour it in and try to get it all dissolved. So you want to use 1 scoop for your black tank, 1 scoop for your gray tank, and so that's why I'm doing 2 scoops here and just making sure it gets fully dissolved. You can see that I have a really sophisticated method in doing this. And then I just make sure that I fill the bucket up all the way. Then when that's done, I just pour a little bit into our kitchen sink here, and then I move it on over into the bathroom and pour a little bit more in the bathroom sink, and that's getting into our gray tanks. I also do just a little bit in the shower as well, again, just to get that gray tank taken care of. And then I pour the rest down the toilet, and this will be perfect for our black tank. And doing this before every trip makes sure that we don't have any smell. We never have a bad smell. It's always good food cooking. We can't smell anything from our gray or black tanks, and that's all because of Happy Campers.